Hi everyone, here today I am making chicken essence. Here I have one chicken leg and one chicken breast, and what I want to do here today is I want to make chicken essence. Now when I make chicken essence, I don't really use the whole chicken because I take an easy approach. I'll just get whatever I have in the fridge, which is easy for me to prepare, and I typically like to use chicken leg and chicken breast, which is enough for the amount of chicken essence that I like to have. So what I did was I just gently cleaned off this chicken parts, and I have removed some of the fat, yeah, so that my chicken essence don't turn out to be too fatty. That's how I like it to be. All right, so I like to have some pure, nice chicken essence when the juice is extracted from the chicken pieces. Now, when we make chicken essence at home, there is no preservative for sure that is in our chicken essence. When we've extracted them, it is as pure as it can be. So we can choose some very fresh parts of chicken, and so after you wash and remove the fat, what I do is I just gently try and cut them into like small chunks. So I use a scissors instead of chopper. Just just break the bone like that so that you get the marrow out of the bone as well. So I am using a Softiera set. This is the Softiera set. This is a Softiera Insert. I call it a Softiera Insert, and this is the Softiera Dish. So what we do is we put the chicken pieces onto this onto this Softiera Insert unit. Okay, so what I just gently sort of cut open the flesh so that it is easier for the juice to be extracted later on. Okay, just gently. All right, so just like that. And the same thing goes to the breast. You don't have to cut it like completely, but just cut open like this. And there is no water that is required on the dish. All right, we are going to stack the Softiera Insert onto the Softiera Dish like this when it goes into the pot. Okay, so how do I make this essence? This is the AMC way of making chicken essence. All right, you just arranged it onto the Softiera Insert. So if you have a bigger chicken, let's say you want to make chicken essence out of the whole chicken, you can also use another size of this Softiera set. There is a 24 centimeter size in diameter size set, and what I'm using today is just a 20 centimeter diameter set. All right, so I use a 20 centimeter diameter pot. This is a 4.5 liter pot. Okay, 4.5 liter pot. So how do we make our chicken essence? Now typically in a traditional way, we need to have a lot of water in the pot in order to extract chicken essence for long hours. But in our AMC system, if we are cooking automatically, all we need is just a cup of water like this, 200 ml. All right, now I'm going to put in my Softiera dish first, because this is going to be the catcher for all my chicken essence. All right, everything is going to drip onto this bowl here, and I will put my Softiera Insert with the chicken pieces on top, and I will cover the pot with the AMC Secuquick Lid, lock it. After I lock it, I'm going to turn it on. I'll just switch on the main switch, the main power switch, and then I'm going to turn this on to automatic mode. Our AMC Navigenio hot plate, AMC hot plate. You can call it a stove if you like. It's basically a stove, but an AMC Navigenio is able to cook automatically. So I put on an A setting which will cook automatically. So I'm going to set this chicken essence to be extracted in 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes on the turbo setting. Turbo setting. Can you see that? The Audiotherm. This thing here is called Audiotherm. Audiotherm is like a remote control that you use for your television. In AMC cooking system, you use the Audiotherm to activate the Navigenio to cook automatically on its Bluetooth technology. So when you see a blue light here, it basically means that the system is now running automatically. It's been set successfully, that you're able to cook automatically for 45 minutes after it's been boiled. All right, after your ingredients are all brought to the boiling point, and it will reduce heat and cook for 45 minutes. You call that simmering. So it will simmer for 45 minutes. From now on, when I have done this setting, when there is a need to set on a higher or a lower heat, I do not have to worry about it because the system is going to take care of it for me. So basically now what I need to do is just wait for the pressure to build up, and then the stove, the hot plate, is going to reduce heat, and it's going to adjust the heat for me within the temperature range of 108 degree to 118 degree, which is a very safe temperature to have enough and sufficient heat to extract the chicken essence while not drying up the liquid in the pot. So every single drop of chicken essence extracted will not dry up unnecessarily when we cook with the AMC system, where the temperature and time is controlled automatically. It is as simple as that when we are making chicken essence. It is better than buying from from the commercial chicken essence, as this doesn't have any preservative, doesn't contain any additional ingredient in it. It's pure chicken essence, which is really why I like to make my own chicken essence in a simple manner like this, where I can just use like chicken parts instead of a whole chicken. I can make chicken essence every week to nourish the chi and nourish some energy, and for its good collagen. I can have this kind of nutritional values without having to worry too much about having to pick and choose which brand name of chicken essence that we typically may get from the commercially produced chicken essence. All right, so it's as simple as that. What I'm going to do now is to wait for the chicken essence to be extracted, like automatically. All right, so I'm going to just come back to you later when the pressure is up to show you how it actually works. All right. So at this time, it's actually being brought to a boiling point and the pressure is up. As the pressure is up, the time will start to elapse, right? So from this point on, it will take about 45 minutes for the chicken essence to be extracted in the pot, right? So we shall see when the time elapses. Navigenio has lowered down the heat automatically. I do not have to do any heat adjustment, and it will just take care of it itself. So at the point when the temperature within the pot has dropped slightly, the Navigenio is very smart that it will increase the heat by a little bit to bring back the temperature to its optimum level, which is to maintain within the turbo cooking level, which is the setting that we want it to be, within the temperature of 108 to 118 degrees Celsius. Now, having said that we'll have to maintain the temperature and all that, it sounded very sophisticated, but if we are doing it manually, yes, it can be sophisticated because we have to ensure that the water in the pot is still there and it doesn't dry up as we are trying to extract our chicken essence. But if we are using the AMC premium cooking system like this one now, as long as you cook it automatically with the AMC Navigenio hot plate, like this one that you are observing now, the water within your pot will not dry up because the heat is being adjusted automatically. You do not have to worry about it. You do not have to worry about the water in the pot has dried up, like how we used to do chicken essence in a traditional way. All right, so this is the advantages of cooking with the AMC premium cooking system, where it is really convenient to actually make a more sophisticated dish like this, where we are extracting chicken essence. So now this chicken essence is cooking halfway through, and there's still a 20 minutes time to go, and I gotta leave home to pick up my kid from somewhere, and so I will just leave this to cook until the time is fully elapsed. And the stove, the Navigenio stove, is going to keep this pot warm for 1 hour at 60 degrees Celsius. So I shall be back and show you what the chicken essence extracted is going to look like later. See you. This has been 3.5 hours later. I went out and then I came back home, and the state of the cooking is as such. The Audiotherm was turned off automatically when the keep warm function is over, and the Navigenio stove has been turned off as well automatically. So what I do is I turn this to its reset mode to 0 power, and I can remove my Audiotherm. And at this stage, after 3.5 hours later, when cooking is done, it's been kept warm for 1 hour. This pot is now still warm, so I can remove this lid immediately. So let's take a look at our chicken essence. Alright, the chicken pieces is dried up now. It's dried, so we can still consume this chicken pieces for its protein. Let's take a look at the chicken essence itself. Alright. Now this is how much chicken essence that has been extracted. There was no water added to this Softiera dish initially. Softiera Insert and the Softiera Dish can be washed easily. It is unlike any traditional extract of chicken essence where you may need to use some clay bowls or some clay pot, and it's quite difficult to actually wash off all the stain. But with a stainless steel pots and pans and accessories, we are able to clean these accessories pretty easily with just ordinary washing. So I hope this helps, and I've shared with you today's AMC chicken essence extraction with the AMC 4.5 liter pot and our Secuquick Lid, our AMC Secuquick Lid, for 45 minutes, and you're able to extract this 100% pure chicken essence. If you would like to add some ginseng pieces or some other ingredients, you are able to do that too. You just need to place like a small piece or two pieces of ginseng into the bowl, and as the chicken essence is extracted, those flavor will be very intense, and it is purest of its pure. This is equivalent to about 2 rice bowls of chicken essence. And if you observe the original water, that 1 cup of water that we added into the into the pot initially when we cook this chicken essence, extraction of chicken essence. We added 1 cup of water, plain water, into the bowl, into the pot, and the cup of water is still there. It hasn't dried up as we cook and extract this chicken essence. So this is how well controlled the heat is from our AMC Navigenio in combination with our AMC Secuquick Lid. When the system is cooking automatically, it will adjust its heat automatically with the right temperature control and time control automatically. The cooking is just so convenient that we do not have to keep adding water into the pot like when we are doing it in a traditional way. So this is our AMC chicken essence, which was extracted for 45 minutes, and this is the end result bit. I hope this helps.